DIY Winter Wonderland, easy holiday crafts. You can make the holiday season is the perfect time to unleash your creativity and transform your space into a magical winter wonderland. In this video, we'll guide you through easy and budget-friendly DIY crafts that will add charm and warmth to your holiday decor. Whether you're decorating your home or creating gifts for loved ones, these crafts are simple, fun, and perfect for the festive season. Craft 1. Sparkling Snowflakes. Materials needed: pipe cleaners, white or silver, beads or glitter, fishing line or thread for hanging steps. Shape the pipe cleaners into snowflake designs. 6 arms work best. Add beads or glue and sprinkle glitter to make them sparkle. Attach a piece of fishing line to hang them from windows, ceilings, or your tree. Tip: create multiple snowflakes in different sizes for a layered, whimsical effect. Craft 2. Mason Jar. Lanterns. Materials needed: mason jars, battery-operated tea lights, Epsom salt, Mod Podge, glue ribbon, or twine steps. Coat the outside of the mason jar with Mod Podge. Roll the jar in Epsom salt to create a frosted effect. Place a tea light inside the jar for a cozy glow. Tie a ribbon or twine around the top for added charm. Tip: experiment with colored Epsom salt or add small holiday figurines inside the jar for extra flair. Craft 3. Festive Garland. Materials needed: string or twine, mini ornaments, pine cones, or felt shapes, hot glue, gun glitter, or paint, optional. Steps: cut your string to the desired length. Attach ornaments, painted pine cones, or felt holiday shapes to the string using a hot glue gun. Hang the garland on your fireplace, walls, or around your tree. Tip: personalize your garland with names, holiday messages, or unique themes. Craft 4. Pine cone centerpieces. Materials needed: pine cones, collected or store-bought, spray paint, gold, silver, or white, candle holders or shallow bowls, decorative elements like holly, berries, or fairy lights. Steps: spray paint the pine cones and let them dry completely. Arrange the pine cones in a shallow bowl or around candle holders. Add decorative elements like holly or fairy lights for extra sparkle. Tip: use scented pine cones for a festive aroma that enhances the holiday mood. Craft 5. Holiday Wreath. Materials needed: foam or wire wreath base, evergreen branches, faux or real ornaments, ribbons, and decorative picks, hot glue gun or floral wire steps. Attach evergreen branches to the wreath base using floral wire. Add ornaments, ribbons, and decorative picks to fill in gaps and create balance. Hang your wreath on the front door or above your fireplace. Tip: create a themed wreath such as Snowy Wonderland with white and silver elements, or rustic charm with burlap and natural materials. Conclusion: creating your own winter wonderland doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With these simple DIY holiday crafts, you can add a personal touch to your festive decor and spread holiday cheer. Don't forget to share your creations with friends and family, and let us know in the comments which craft was your favorite. Subscribe to our channel for more creative DIY ideas and holiday inspiration.